Hello students, welcome back to Computer Study. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3. Do you know the title of your lesson 3? Social Networking. Your title name is Social Networking, and today I explain you the social networking sites, pros and cons. It means advantage and disadvantage. So this is your part 2. Today I explain pros and cons. So let us I explain you pros. So the first topic, instant communication. Your first topic is instant communication. Means with the use of social networking. Nowadays your communication is very fast. Nowadays with the use of social networking, your communication is very fast. So let us discuss this point. Today we can disseminate information in real time because of SNS. Disseminate means spread. So today our all information spread through social networking. Social networking. Due to of social networking, nowadays our information spread through the social networking sites. So when a communication was through letter, it means in a previous year, in a previous day, our communication was with the letter, and that time it took a more time. It took a more time for reach information from one place to another place. Means in a previous year, when a communication was through letters, in a previous year, our all communication with the letters. Thus that time it took for information to reach from one place to another place depend on the geographical location of this place. So it is depend on geographical location of this place. But today with social networking, email and chat tools, communication channels available for individuals have increased. It means nowadays with the use of social networking, so we can easily send email, we can easily chat with our friends. So with the use of SNS, we can easily do our communication work, and we can easily create our communication channel. So it is increase. So individual peoples increase to use social networking. So the flow of information takes place in real time, that is as and when an event is happening anywhere in the world, people elsewhere can be aware about it. It means now with the use of social networking, if any event occur in any place, if any event occur in any place with any other people, so nowadays with the use of social networking, we can easily know this event, we can easily aware of this event. Just example here I give you. After 1 month our school organized one event welcoming students, one event like welcoming students. So this event our school posted in the school Facebook page, so you can easily see after 1 month our school organized one event. So with the use of social networking site, you all are aware of these particular events, so you can easily understand this is a advantage. Instant communications means With the use of social networking, our communication will be fast. Now cons, it means disadvantage. Addictive. Addictive means causing or likely. With easy access to information, people are increasingly spreading more and more time on SNS. Means nowadays all the peoples spending more time on SNS. Means all the peoples use WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and Facebook Messenger. So with these SNS applications, all the people spreading his or her more time. So spending time on activities like writing comments and playing games as is not always productivity. It means the people spend his or her time with different activities like writing comments. Means people see anyone photo with the use of Facebook, so people can starting commenting. So yeah, this is your time waste. And people also playing games with the use of social networking, and it is not always productivity means effectiveness. It is not effectiveness, it is means it is not useful for us. Okay, you can easily understand. Now your other disadvantage, lack of face to face social skills. It means so much time being spent in front of a computer for activities ranging from reading a book, sending mails, chatting, uploading media, and playing games. So there is a very time left for developing social skill with face to face interaction. Means nowadays all the people are very busy with his or her work. So the people do your work with the use of computer. Student also learn your chapter with the use of computer. And you can all the people easily send mails, chatting, uploading media, and playing games. So there is very little time left for developing your social skill. So you have no time to meet your friends, to meet your family members, to meet your neighbor. So here you cannot develop your face to face interaction. It means you cannot develop your face to face social skills. So this is your disadvantage. Okay. Now we move our other pros and cons, means advantage and disadvantage. Collaboration means work with someone. Collaboration means work with other people. Collaboration means work with other people. So here SNS means social networking site. SNS allow user to collaborate and participate in team activities very easily. So SNS work means collaboration means work with others. So SNS allow user to collaborate means SNS allow to work with other people and participate in a team activity. It is a very easily. So with the use of SNS, our team activity work very easily. So this is your advantage. If you want to chat with your friends, if you want to video call with your friends, so you can make a group of your friends and you can easily talk with them. So this is a very best view for collaboration. Next, cons security. So, with user for going their idea and misrepresenting themselves, cues, bullying, abuse, and duping of individual may take place. So, the disadvantage of SNS security. It means you can use your Facebook. So security base means someone hack your account, someone misuse your photographs, misuse your personal details. So your SNS sites, it is not secure for us. Someone abusing you, someone duping of individual may take place. So this is your cons, this is your advantage. Okay, now we move to our further, sorry, this is your disadvantage. Now we move our further advantage, networking with people. It means we build up network with people with the use of SNS, means social networking site. They allow user user to network with friends and family. It means with the use of SNS we can build up a network with our friends and family. Like just example, WhatsApp. So with the use of WhatsApp you can easily chat with your family and friends also. So here you build up a network irrespective of the geographical location. It means with the use of social networking site we can know our friend location very easily. Okay, so this is our advantage of social networking. Now we move to cons, means disadvantage. Lack of content monitoring. Monitoring means observe. Monitoring means observe. Content is not strictly monitored. Means with the use of social networking, your content is not strictly monitored. Means observe. It might prove harmful if you young adult have access inappropriate content. Inappropriate content means you can write some misuse word with the use of SNS. So this is a very harmful for us. Now your next topic, making new friends. Making new friends. They allow user to make a new friends and also help professional to make a new contacts. So you can easily see with the use of SNS, means with the use of social networking site like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, we can make our new friends. So this is a very helpful. Creative expression. So users with a flair for writing can now express their creative idea and generate content on blogging website. So with the use of blogging website, uh, sorry, with the use of blogging website, people easily create your own ideas and people easily express your own idea. Blogging website, it is a website to in where in there we can easily create our own idea. Blogging is a one part of website, one post. In there you can write your own idea. Next, educational discussion platform. So SNS can be a powerful tool for online education. You can easily see nowadays, before 1 week, yeah, 2 weeks, or from our school we can say we all are send a video via WhatsApp. So for educational purpose it is a very best platform for us. So this is your advantage. SNS can be a powerful tool for online education. So social networking is a very powerful tool for our online education. Teachers and students can use them to connect to each other and discuss educational topics. So with the use of social networking, teachers and student, both of you interact with each other, both are connect with each other and discuss his or her topics with the use of SNS. Next topic, access to information. They allow users to and publish information on a variety of topics. This information can be easily accessed by anybody. It means with the use of SNS you can access your information, you can publish your own informations. Okay. Online marketing for business. Online marketing for business. So nowadays SNS social networking sites are used for online marketing or business. So companies are increasingly using SNS. So nowadays all the company most often use social networking site like Facebook. So with the use of Facebook, they all are do your own business, online marketing business. It's called a digital marketing. Only for building awareness of their products. So the businessman and businesswoman easily show your products with the use of social networking, but also to hire a personnel to announce new launch and to promote their product and services. So with the use of social networking, the businessman launch and announce his product and promote their product and all the service with the use of social networking, means digital marketing. It has become a new channel for sales and marketing and also for getting consumer feedback. So this is became a new channel for selling our products and marketing our products. And with the use of online marketing business, it's getting a consumer feedback, it also getting a consumer feedback. So here I hope students you all are understand your pros and cons, means advantage and disadvantage. Now we move social networking site and education. We use social networking site for our education purpose. All the focus of SNS has been connecting and communicating with friends and having fun. It is important to note that they are powerful medium for education. So as we all are using SNS for communicating with our friends, playing game, but it is also important. It is also powerful medium for our educational. Our SNS is a very best and powerful medium for our education. Using SNS for education is now being termed as a educational networking. It means with the use of SNS we all are study. So this term nowadays it's being a educational networking. It is called educational networking. There are a number of SNS devoted exclusively for educational. For example, Classroom 2. It means Google Classroom. It is also your SNS. Second, Global Classroom. Next, Gurukul, Edutopa, and Delicious. Through these sites, teachers and students can interact with each other. So they all are used for study. So teachers and students easily use this website for our his or her study. So students, you can easily understand this topic, social networking sites for a educational. Next, SNS allows students to exchange idea and share content. Means with the use of SNS, you can share your idea and you share your content. Student communicate interested in a particular topic can sign up for that specific SNS and exchange information. So students easily communicate particular topic and the students easily sign up for specific SNS and exchange the information. MOOCs means pronounced as MOOCs are a recent development in distance educational. These online course can be taken by students from anywhere. MOOCs. MOOCs is a online course can be taken by students from anywhere in the world. They provide interactive user forms to support a communicating and engagement. MOOCs provide communicating engagement means form. For example, Coursera, Khan Academy. So this is the example of MOOCs. Now SNS. SNS enables students in developing 21st century skill. SNS develop the students' skill using different technology, creativity, being open to diverse view and learning collaborative. So with the use of SNS, student develop his or her skills. Here, Mode say, let us look at some SNS and their settings. We move to some settings of our social networking site. Setting can be customized by individual user according to their requirement. Here your setting display. It is set according to the user requirement. Let us look at some privacy and security setting. Now, access. You can decide who can send your message, view your data and restrict access to limited number of users such as your friend. So you can go in your any page like your Facebook. So you can go in your access from and you here just set public, your choice and the other option extended circle means your friends can easily share. So here you can set your accessing data. Next option, privacy. Next option is privacy. You can control who can access and share your content by changing the setting to public. Everyone has access, friends or custom. Means with the use of privacy option you can change your access. Change your access portion. Like you just show your data with your only particular friends. You share your data public. So you can easily set. So here in this picture you can see this is a picture for setting your privacy. Okay. Now next, profile view. You can also decide what information on your profile is visible. So with the use of profile, view we can set our profile showing information. Here you can easily see in this picture in your circle. See who can see this public, yeah, your circles, friends have you in circle, so people who have added you to circle, then here you can save. Okay, so this is your setting option. Now we move to other topic. Similarly, YouTube too has setting to manage the video uploads, playlist and content. They just say until today we were only user of social networking. Now we are not only aware the manly futures of SNS but also about the do's and don'ts as well as pros and cons of SNS. Jyoti say, beside being a user, can I also build a simple website or create and publish my own content? So you can easily create your own content. Moj reply, sure, you will be learn how to create a blogs and build a website in the next lesson. Okay, next lesson you can easily learn how to build a website or blogs. Meanwhile, can you compile a list of specific SNS like SNS for book lovers and the features that they offer?